and Hotel Valhalla.
And why are you?
Because they're the good guys.
Oh, right. In the win? In the end?
What are you doing?
I'm taking a video of Mom.
Oh.
She didn't like that though, I don't think. Wait, can we do a video? Oh. No? This is crazy beautiful though, right? Don't you think? It's kind of out of our element. I don't usually wear this hat. Why do you like those myths so much anyways?
They're interesting to me.
Well, duh. I know they're interesting to you, but I'm wondering why. My family ran away. I took out the video camera and they ran away. Literally, just like Brianna took off, running back to the campsite. And Haywood, like, totally jammed out of there, so. This is what we look at, right? It's not our usual what we look at, but. Should we come back here? I don't think he does. I don't think he wants to come back here.
What? Yeah, I want to.
Oh, why?
It's nice.
It didn't seem like you really liked it.
It's nice.
Really? What's nice about it?
It's just a nice place.
Oh. Because of what, though?
Well, it's right by the water.
It has no internet access.
It's not true. Actually, yeah, the internet doesn't work. That MiFi Dad does not work.
No, the Wi-Fi doesn't work out here.
No, like, it doesn't work at all.
Oh.
Like, it doesn't give you, it says it gives you internet, but the internet doesn't work.
It works for me. Why wouldn't it work for you?
It doesn't work for me.
Huh.
It
Shit.
turns on, but, like, certain apps and games that take internet access don't work.
Yeah, that's a bummer, man. That's a bummer, man. Alright, what else is so great about this place? You have to poop in a, gross bathroom.
Still looks nice.
Yeah? Nature?
Yeah. Dad, why can't I just say I like it because I like it?
Oh, I'm just trying to get you to talk.
Well, if you want me to talk so much, why didn't you just ask for me to tell you another Norse myth?
Oh, I didn't think of that. Why don't you tell me something about another Norse myth?
Okay.
But.
Let's see.
All right.